almost fell off my seat. Can't do that. Can't do that. No.
Always race to get up and go get it. Independent, make my own money. If you think I need you, I'm offended. Kias muye, se patuan. Bomba picle.
Hey everybody, my name is Sabrina Cazeau, and if you're new to my channel, welcome. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to your girl, okay? And if you're tuning back to my channel, what's up? How you been? Today I will be showing you how you can wear one scarf in multiple different ways. Okay, so some of the things, it's not like you're saying things. English. Sabrina, speak English. Some of the ways I made the top is from videos I saw online, and other ways it's just me experimenting. Yeah, it was so funny. I was taking a scarf and I was putting it around my body like, you know, I didn't cover a boob, and I was like, oh, let me cover this boob, and you know, it was falling off. It was so funny. I wish I recorded that part, but I didn't. But I did record different ways for you to wear a scarf as a top. Okay, so you know, if you only got a scarf in your closet, you ain't got no tops, all you got is bottoms and a scarf, for some odd reason, I got you. Without further ado, let's get right into the video. Once again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. All right, let's get into it. All right, y'all. So the first thing I do want to say, I apologize for the quality of the video. I'm working on my lighting. I'm working on the quality. I'm trying my best. Yeah, you see Diamond in the video. Diamond, that's my little sister's dog. My niece, shout out to my niece Diamond. You'll see her a lot in the video. So the first way that I wear the scarf is by putting it around me and tying it in the front. I did put a scrunchie to hold it together, but if you're wearing a strapless bra, it'll hold better. You'll just have to put it through the strapless bra so it could be more secure. But I didn't have a strapless bra, so I did what I had to do. And yeah, so this is the look. Very easy, very simple, nice. Now, time for the shoes. Y'all see these shoes? Y'all see these shoes? Guess what? Guess what? These are my shoes. Like, when I mean my shoes, my design, my shoes that you can find on my website. And look who's going on up. Me. Look at my shoes. Look at my shoes. Okay. Now, this is the outfit again. I paired it up with a furla bag and some blue jeans. I believe these jeans are from Pretty Little Thing. So yeah, look at Diamond. Diamond's like, okay, girl, get it. I know you were not scratching in my video. Okay, next up, this one right here is me and Diamond's favorite outfit. So I paired this outfit up with my furla bag, of course. I'll be doing that the whole time. The way that I did the scarf, I put it around my neck, as you can see. Make sure it's even. And then I covered the boob. And I tied it in the back. Simple as that. Put it around your neck, cover your boobs, tie it around your back. That's it. 3 steps. Make sure it's nice and clean. You know, I was just trying to show you guys the steps. Yes. 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 Now, next up, these heels right here are Steve Madden heels. You know I love me some Steve Maddens. They're cute. They fit that outfit perfectly. And look at them. Bam, bam, bam. All right, here's the outfit one more time. I wore it with a pink skirt that I sewed. I put a chain around it, and I paired it with the furla bag. And look at me. Look at me. Okay, so next up, I used the scarf as a tube top again. Yes, okay, girl, spin. Ow. Okay, so what I did, I took 2 sides of the scarf. I tied it around, like you see how I did it. I went around my body and I tied it. And then I took the bottom part and did the same thing, put it up and tied it. And then the bottom part that's just hanging around, flopping, I tied that part too. And then what you want to do next is you want to stuff everything in, open it up, make a keyhole. Well, you know, of course, make it cleaner than this. I paired it up with my Steve Madden heels again, because it fit the outfit, you know? Look at me. Look at me. All right, so this is the outfit. I paired it up with some white jeans and my Furla bag. Diamond was obviously not feeling this outfit because she was nowhere to be found. Oh, look at me. Okay, girl. Okay, don't kill him now. All right. So next up, what I did, I took the scarf, took two sides of the scarf, wrapped it around my neck, but made it loose. And then I took the bottom and I flip, and then I tied it in the back. Give me a second. Obviously, I don't know how to tie. There I go. Okay, wait. There I go. Okay, perfect. Yep, and then I stuff it in and bam, here's the top. Now you see these shoes? Do you see these shoes? Oh, these shoes look cute. Girl, where can I find these shoes? Where can you find them? On my website. What? These are my shoes too. This is my design. This is my Riches Rivé. Riches Rivé shoes. Okay. Yes. Look at me showing it off. Showing it off. Come on now. You better go on my website. Quit playing with me. All right, so this right here is the complete outfit. I paired it with my green shorts and my Furla bag. Look at Diamond. Diamond's like, okay, girl, I see you. Oh, not her walking away. Okay, look at me. Posing. Pose. Yes, girl. Yes. Oh, Diamond. Jesus Christ. All right. So this one right here, what I did, I took two sides and then I tied it. As you can see, it's like you kind of want to put it on as a cape to the side and you want to tie it up under your armpit. Then you want to take the other two sides and tie it to create a sleeve. So as you can see, I tied it, and then you want to go in the middle and do another knot again just to secure it. And then bam, this is it. Simple as that. Very nice top. And I did pair this up with my Jessica Simpson heels. I wanted to pair this up with some white heels, even though this looked like some church heels, like hallelujah, hallelujah, hallelujah. So this is the complete outfit. I paired it up with some blue jeans. I believe these jeans are Pretty Little Thing and my Furla bag. Now, lastly, as you can see, I tried to attempt a skirt, but this skirt was a little bit too much. So yeah, I didn't even bother doing a tutorial on it. But I paired it up with my heels, the heels that I designed. Yes, that's on my website. That's available in another color, which is cream. Better get it together. Oh, also the green one is available in pink. Just want to let you know. Look at me again. Look at me. Don't know what I'm doing. Last but not least, I just wanted to show you another pair of heels that I do have in my shoe collection. This is my red heels. Everybody loves this. So I was like, let me throw it in this video to show y'all too. This is so cute. Look at me. Okay. Got the matching nail polish. Okay. All right, guys, I hope you find this video useful. It is the end of the video. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And the new people that's watching this, come on, join the Riches gang. Join the Riches gang. All right, you guys. See you guys next time. Bye. Love you. What do I sound like? I sound like that TikTok. This is my outfit for today. And if you don't like it, you can leave. Bye. Love you. I need to stay off TikTok. Bye, y'all.